She gets such a charge out of it.
Layla, that's my castle. Why are you not? No! Come on, that's my castle. I want to build a castle. No! Why are you doing? Oh, really? Oh, box. Thank you. You want to put the box on the castle? That's a good idea. Oh, no! Whoa! Okay, let's do it again. Building a castle, no one's gonna... Oh no, she knocks it over every time. What? Doo-doo? Mama, 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 mama. Mama? Can you say mama?
Yeah, Daddy's right here.
Where's mama?
What are you doing, my girl?
Layla, where's mama? Layla, mama? 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 No, mama.
Yeah.
Oh no, not again.
Dada is right.
Okay, I'm gonna do this again. Ready? I'm gonna build a castle. I'm building it. It's all mine. It's gonna be very tall. Nobody's gonna knock it over. Come and sit over here, my girl. Come and sit over here. No! Oh, look at this one. I didn't know we had that one. Fire truck. Okay, ready? One. Can you stack this? Can you put this on there, please? No, you just like to knock them over. Okay, put this on there. Put that